Looking for the best action camera in 2025? Whether you're into extreme sports, travel vlogging, or outdoor adventures, we've got you covered. In this video, we review the top 3 best action cameras that deliver top-tier video quality, durability, and cutting-edge features. From budget-friendly pics to premium options, find out which action cam is perfect for capturing your wildest moments. Let's dive into the ultimate action camera guide of 2025. Number 3. The Aliexpress Brave 7 LE is a standout budget-friendly action camera that delivers performance well beyond its price tag. Built for all-weather adventures, its IPX7 water-resistant design, paired with the included waterproof housing, makes it a reliable choice for snorkeling, rain, snow, and even dives up to 131 feet. Its dual-color screen design is a real advantage for vloggers and solo travelers, allowing easy switching between selfie and rear views. The 2-inch touch screen simplifies navigation and makes adjusting settings intuitive. The 4K 30 FPS video and 20MP photos produce vibrant, detailed footage, while the 6-axis EIS 2.0 stabilization ensures smooth, steady shots even when capturing fast-paced action like biking or wildlife drives. Users praise the audio quality as surprisingly usable for a budget cam, especially when tweaked via editing software. The battery life is impressive, easily powering long shoots, over 1.5 hours, without needing a swap. Included extras like two 1,350 mAh batteries, remote control, waterproof case, and mounting kits offer exceptional value and flexibility right out of the box. Overall, the Aliexpress Brave 7 LE is a versatile, durable, and high-performing action camera perfect for travel, vlogging, or underwater exploration. If you're seeking a quality 4K cam without breaking the bank, this one checks all the right boxes. Number 2. The GoPro Hero 13 Black sets a new benchmark in action camera performance, offering a powerful combination of 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video, 27MP still images, and rugged waterproof durability. Whether you're vlogging, capturing high-speed action sports, or exploring underwater, the Hero 13 delivers crisp, cinematic results with its advanced CMOS sensor and hybrid image stabilization. This latest model supports HB series lenses, expanding your creative possibilities with enhanced field of view options. The 2.27-inch touchscreen is bright and responsive, and the improved Enduro battery offers extended recording time ideal for long shoots and extreme conditions. Users appreciate the camera's seamless connectivity via USB and Bluetooth, and the GoPro app integration allows for intuitive control and easy editing on the go. Real-world feedback is overwhelmingly positive. Users love the video quality, mounting versatility, and smooth editing workflow, though some noted the initial setup and firmware update can be time-consuming. Battery life, while better than previous models, still demands extra batteries for extended use. Also, accessories from older GoPro models may not be compatible, requiring some reinvestment. Despite those minor caveats, the Hero 13 Black remains a top-tier pick. If you want premium video performance, reliable durability, and creator-friendly features, this is the action camera to beat in 2025. Number 1. The Insta360X5 is a game-changing 360 degrees action camera that raises the bar with 8K 30 FPS video, rugged durability, and a host of smart, creator-focused features. With its dual 1x1.28-inch CMOS sensors, the X5 captures incredibly sharp, vibrant footage in full 360 degrees, offering excellent dynamic range and clarity even in challenging lighting, thanks to its triple AI chip and low-light optimization. Whether you're shooting action sports, road trips, or immersive vlogs, the flow state stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock ensure smooth, level footage without needing a gimbal. The invisible selfie stick effect creates seamless third-person views, while InstaFrame mode and AI-powered auto-framing simplify post-production by letting you pick perfect angles later. Reviewers praise its extended 185-minute battery life and fast charging, making it ideal for long shooting days. The built-in wind guard with 4-mic array delivers clear, focused audio, even at high speeds or in windy conditions. The replaceable lenses add a layer of durability and convenience, letting you stay ready no matter the terrain. Waterproof up to 49 feet, 15 meters, and built tough for the elements. The Insta360X5 is perfect for creators who need stunning, flexible footage without the hassle. If you're serious about immersive storytelling, the X5 is easily one of the best 360 action cams of 2025. Thanks for watching our review of the top 3 best action cameras of 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest gear reviews and tech updates. Got a favorite action cam or one we missed? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, keep capturing the adventure